Have you ever wished GoHighLevel could build your workflow instead of you dragging dozens of actions into your page? Well, it actually can. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. GHL Kid here. And today we're going to be learning about how to make a workflow using AI in GoHighLevel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI-generated workflows, customize them, and avoid the mistakes that beginners mistake. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you would want to go into your GoHighLevel sub account. Then scroll all the way down to automations. This is where you make most of your workflows. If you're making it with AI or without AI, doesn't matter. Go to automations. Now, you'll see two buttons on the right side. One is create workflow or one is build using AI. In create workflow, you can use many options, but today we're going to be focusing on build using AI. So click that button. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to type your prompt, what you want to build, and the AI is going to build it for you. So for example, I was, let's say, a landscaping company, and I needed one workflow. When the form is submitted, the chatbot automatically texts them. So I could put that in. But instead of dragging every action and trigger into piece, what you can do is simply write it. So so guys, as you can see, I typed, make a workflow of a landscaping company who wants to text their customer when the form is submitted. Wait an hour and then put it on loop. So let's see how it makes it, guys. And another great advantage is if your workflow is like really complicated, you can simply just dictate instead of typing the whole thing. So let's see how the AI makes. When I first saw this button, I was like, oh, this is going to be like so wonky and it's going to take like hours or maybe even minutes. But no, it takes seconds, literal seconds, and maybe even a minute or two if it's really complicated. And it makes the workflow better than ever I could. And it already made it. It's such a simple workflow and it made it. So this workflow, you needed one trigger and like 3 actions. It made it in probably less than 10 seconds. Now, what I want to see is I want to do maybe like an exciting workflow, exciting and complicated workflow. So I'm gonna paste a prompt that I made from ChatGPT. I told it to make it really complicated because I really couldn't think of anything else that's really complicated. And let's see how it does. Hopefully it makes it like within a minute. Like once I've needed it to make a workflow and I was in a hurry because I had to go somewhere and it literally made it in like less than 30 seconds. So guys, let's see how it makes it. So this is the prompt, really long. And let's see, you can also see the steps in here. So this is analyzing. On it, create an advanced lead nurturing and appointment booking workflow for local service business. And it's going through all the steps. So you can also see there's 10 steps in place. So that means in total, there's 10 steps. And there's 7 steps ready. A mistake that I always mostly made is not checking the AI's work. Just telling AI the prompt and I'm done. No. You have to check the AI's work, what it does. AI is not always perfect, so you do always have to check it because no matter what, you should check it. Because what if the AI makes a mistake and it maybe like does something terrible that you don't want to happen? And guys, as you can see, it made the whole prompt. That's crazy. So as you can see, keeps on going. And guys, that is actually crazy. It made it so easily and within like a minute. Probably made it within a minute. And yeah, I know you do have to fill in like your key tiny teeny details in there, but it basically gives you a golden spoon. It is so useful. And you don't have to use AI all of the time. It's not necessary. And if you want to build it your way and you have time and you don't want to check it, you can just build it. But I always do recommend to check your work. Guys, that's how you create a workflow inside GoHighLevel using AI. This feature can save hours every week, especially when you're building common automations like welcome sequences, appointment reminders, and lead follow-ups. If this video helped you, please smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.